inside that we haven't taken off because we're going to ship these units. We've had a total of 6 sold to a customer, but kind of hard to see. We've got a little film there, it peels off, and it's clear under there just to protect it in shipping. And it's got a really interesting kind of pivot out design for the window there to kind of channel a little bit of wind in and out of the cab. Very nice system. Looks very factory. Like it was supposed to be built that way with them. Glass windshield on this unit with little vents to get airflow into the cab. And this is quick removable also, so you can just spin these little nuts off and the windshield will come off. And then glass rear panel on this unit also. Real nice unit. Came out real well. Hard to do with one hand. Down there, which is real nice. This actually acts as your handle for the inside. And then your stock side view mirrors, actually you drill 2 holes and they mount to the outside of your unit. You can still get to that real nice under hood storage where this whole piece lifts forward. Or not storage, maintenance area.